So the first section of our dashboard is the strategy section. The strategy section allows us to put some keyword ideas in, and because the system learns your website and what keywords you've already generated, it will start to give you suggestions on what keywords you should be looking at. If I take you into keyword ideas, you can see you can enter a new keyword and then get suggestions around this. When we set up this system, we put in some competitors, and it will also start to look at their keywords and recommend them, and also look at your existing keywords and give you an estimated search volume. So as you go through, you can simply add these to the list of your keywords, initially up to 50, and you can continue to grow that as you go on. Once you've got the keywords in the system, you can come to sitemap. And sitemap is basically where you will assign the keywords to the pages you want to optimize for your site. And that is simply done with adding a keyword, finding the keyword, and then it will associate to that page with a maximum recommended of 3 keywords per page. And then finally, in this section is the competition, where you can come in here and look at your competitors' keywords. You can look at the backlinks they've got, content ideas for blogs, and you can kind of see what your competitors are doing and hopefully target what they're doing also. That is the area of strategy. Then we lead into actions. So the next section of our dashboard is actions. Actions takes what you've done in your strategy and gives you actionable items. It not only shows you what needs to be done, it also shows you why it needs to be done, and then ultimately how to do it. So you can see here what we need to do, why it's important, and how to do it. And you can find the relevant platform you're using, and it will assist you in how to change the area it's asking you to change. Once you've gone and done that change, you can then complete the action down here, and it will go away and analyze the action and come back with if it is completed, or if not, what needs to be done next. The amount of actions you do can be determined in our settings, and we can configure how many hours per month we want to show of actions. And the actions can be completed by yourself, and of course we can do them on your behalf also. Once they are getting done, you'll see the top bar here will show the amount of percentage being done throughout the month, and you can order by priority or just by page. A very customizable dashboard. The next section in our dashboard is this local area. The local is integrated into Google My Business, and it allows you a tool to optimize your Google My Business listing. And you'll see here a bunch of ticks or crosses if it has not been optimized. And you can update the Google My Business directly in this platform. If I go down some of these options, you can see also it brings in the reviews you've got from your Google My Business, and you can reply to the review in here and keep an eye out of any negative words or negative response, and make sure you respond back to them. The third option down here is posts, and allows you to post directly through our dashboard into Google My Business. And the fourth is directories, which looks at your local citations and shows you what citations are correct, what ones are incorrect and need to be corrected, and this could be for updated addresses or contact details, and what citations are missing to allow you then to go through the platform to go and get your business added to those directories. The next area is local actions. Local actions are different to the actions shown earlier, and they really look at the Google My Business actions you need to complete to optimize Google My Business. And then finally, the last two options look at reporting. It shows you insights into how many people have viewed your Google My Business, how many people made phone calls off the back of that, and where you are ranking for the terms that you have your keywords that you've got for your Google My Business. The next section in our dashboard is backlinks. In here you can view what your backlinks are currently like, ranked out of 10 on relevance and priority, and domain authority of course, and down to 1 where you can look at them and go, this is not a relevant link, and we can disavow them later on in the system. The next tab down looks at backlink opportunities. This looks at your competitors and sees what backlinks they've got, and they could be also relevant backlinks for yourself, and if available, contact information for these people will appear here to make it easier for you to view that backlink opportunity. The next tab down is a little secret gem of our system, and that's journalistic outreach. Journalistic outreach allows you to track keywords in Harrow and Twitter for people that are looking for blogs, journalistic posts, or anything like this, to allow you to submit your knowledge to them with the idea of getting a backlink from their platform or website or whatever their area is. The next option down is a very similar tool, but looks at blogger opportunities, and you can do guest post blogs, advertising opportunities, collaboration opportunities, and once again you can search down to your keywords and what area you're working in. And then the last section in our backlinks looks at a health check, and as mentioned earlier, you can disavow these to keep them tidy and tell Google that you don't really want these pages to be associated to your website. So that's our backlinks area. The last section in our dashboard is the reporting section. This integrates directly into Google Analytics and can be seen here, and you can view in Analytics, but this gives you a top level idea of your data. It shows you your visitors, average time of site and your bounce rate, and it looks at the pattern of your visitors and shows you some other top level analytics. And as mentioned, you can just simply click on this button and you can view in Analytics. Of course, the ultimate part of this platform is shows you your keyword ranking and where you have ranked previously, where you currently rank, where you've ranked previously, where you've ranked last week and also last month. And you can also see what your average ranking over time is. So this section is really where you want to see a growth, and you can see, is it a relevant growth by the amount of search volume you have also. So that's our dashboard in a nutshell. I hope this demonstration has been useful to you. And if you would like some more information and a proper demonstration around your business, then give us a call or find us on our website at www.zephi.co.uk.